What is going on, YouTube? I am sorry. Slept in today. Did not mean to. Was just super tired. Couldn't sleep well last night. So, right now, we got we're in a buy on NASDAQ and NQ, but also Bitcoin and crypto is kind of pulling back. It's definitely a slow Friday. We didn't miss much. Man, this coffee is freaking hot. Okay. So it looks like NASDAQ broke the orb. We did miss this pump up. We definitely would have been in that, guys. Because we would have took the orb breakout. But, yeah, sometimes you sleep in just a little bit, man. I was not sleeping last night that well. Okay, so, yeah, we broke out. We would have went for it. We would have got, let's see, about 20 points, 25 points. Nothing too crazy today, guys, but
Everyone counts on to keep your operation running. That's why at Grainger, we're here for you with professional grade industrial supplies and fast delivery. Call clickgrainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done. Introducing Iron Beam, the best choice for futures trading. Iron Beam is the industry.
Alright. This Bitcoin long, I fell asleep in this. We were in this yesterday, but this is trash. This isn't anything cool. Yeah, this is all ugly. Actually, Sui broke out of the orb and looks a lot better. But if these other coins are gonna drop, then there's no point in trying to chase Sui. Yeah, this coffee is hot. So inflation's gone up a little. Okay, pretty slow motion, guys. I mean, look at crypto. We haven't really done much. Even all day yesterday, we didn't really do anything. Since Tuesday, really. Look at Bitcoin. We've stayed moving sideways since Wednesday. We've just moved sideways. Tuesday, really. This has been crypto this week. Super boring. Like, very boring. The only reason I said Suey it looks better than everything else, but it's still not great. Okay. Yeah, I can barely even drink this fucking coffee. It's so hot. I want to see what it does at this ledge right here. Or this support right here. I got it to break even now. Ugh, should've just got out. Yep. Should've took 300 rather than 100, but oh well. It swept that. Ooh. Yeah, this is pretty boring. It's on the VWAP, that's why I tried this. Just hit the VWAP. Hold on 1 second, TikTok, hold up. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, oh, now it wants to pop off. Fucking A. Crazy. Well, this could be very short-lived, guys. I'm not too... Okay, thank you. Hit the like and the follow button, guys. I trade live every morning for y'all. Fridays are my least favorite days, though. And this is why. It's just not that exciting. Yeah, this is pretty boring stuff. I mean, I'm not complaining that I slept in today, because this is pretty lame. And it's not like we're losing, but it's just not really a whole lot going on here. You know? We're up, at least on NQ, but this is, short-lived and yeah. Well, fuck. I don't know why I took Suey. That was dumb. I don't know why I took Suey. Hold on a sec. Alright. We might just have to chill today, guys. I don't think this is worth. We're up like 200. I mean, I'm not really willing to. We should have maybe held that, you know, but it's just not. There's no way to really tell with shit like this, dude. It's pretty bad. This is very, very slow, as you can see. Okay, well, I think we're gonna just, I don't know, this is not really worth trading today. I don't even know why I just took Suey. That was stupid. Honest to God, this is horrible price action, guys. I don't know why I took Suey. I can tell you why. I mean, it broke out of the orb, but it doesn't always matter. Like, it broke out of the orb and then it just bounced right back. Yeah. Oh, there goes MQ. Yeah, maybe we should have definitely held it, but this was so indecisive. It wouldn't have even came back though. We could have just held that and it would have been solid. We could look for shorts. This might have dropped from here. This might break down now. We're gonna try this short. Screw it, I'm gonna try it. Usually when it's low liquidity days, you can expect when it hits the highs, it just is gonna get a big reaction. But it still wants to push up. Maybe. Yeah, not a good one. Okay, I think it was a bad trade. Yeah, bad trade. Oh, hold on. We're right at the highs. Oh no, we're not. Shit. It actually does have more room. Yeah, went against the tide, guys. That was dumb. I went against the tide and got whomped. Yeah, I'd say that's a bad trade, guys. But it's not over yet. But kinda assume it's probably a bad trade. But good news, Sui and Bitcoin are now in profit. Hold on, this ain't over yet. This ain't over yet. We could get the sellers to come in. Probably not. There it goes. Oh, there it got knocked. Okay, well now we're pretty much at the highs. Oh shit. Suey and Bitcoin are taking off. We should have held this NQ trade. We got out on this red freaking candle, guys. That was dumb. Yeah, it was. Because it was a straight ride up to the top. I didn't even have to stress it. It could have been an easy ride. And something told me to hold this, man. Something told me just to hold. But Fridays are just so slow and choppy sometimes. We just end up moving sideways and sideways, and I just did not want to do that. Let's see if this works. This would be a good spot to take it down to. So, let's see what happens here. There we go. Let's watch. No. Not good. Hold on. Another reason I want to take this is because a lot of times when the liquidity is real low like this, what happens is we'll hit a high or low and get a big reaction because there's just not enough people pushing the volume. What is going on? There we go. Lagging out for a sec, guys. Okay, here we go. And then we took this trade. We took this. Come on, baby. Shui and Bitcoin are doing good. They just pulled back a little bit. Ooh, we're hitting resistance. We are hitting resistance, guys. We'll say Bitcoin broke above. Oh, shit. Just a slow, pretty mild Friday, guys. Nothing too crazy. I've been reading this, my utmost for his highest, and it's every day has, you know, a part in the Bible. Okay, we got hit, guys. It's all good. Has a part in the Bible that you read and just kind of gives you. So we gave back what we were up, guys, on NQ. And we're floating a little bit on Sui and Bitcoin. Nothing crazy. Alright, guys. Ooh, Shuey, what's up? Shuey's waking up. So if NQ, I don't know, it's not really waking up. Or it's not really wanting to. I don't think it's gonna just drop. Maybe it is. No. Just as I thought. But hold on, this could be a fake out. We do sweep all this. When you see all this right here, this is a slow, steady climb up. A lot of times that gets swept. A lot of times it'll get swept, guys. That's why I've seen a lot of stuff about trying to put your entries where you would put your stop loss. Like up here. Let them liquidate all this. Instead of putting your stop loss up here, put your entry up there. And watch the difference. Yeah, I'm probably trying to fight the tide too much. Shuey's breaking through. It's now swept the London liquidity, the London high. It went down to the London lows. Well, no, that was no, I take that back, because that was during London. It's at some resistance right now. It's at yesterday's London high. To be exact. So we gotta see what it's gonna do. I'm starting to wonder if this is actually gonna break down. If we get above this, I don't know, we'll see. Whether we get this or not, this will probably be our last trade on NQ for the day. Wait, this is frozen. What's going on? There we go. It was all frozen. Let's see, I don't know why TikTok is all frozen, guys. Hit the like and the follow button if you guys are on here. Dude, Shuey's pumping. Oh, man. Should have held the NQ long, guys. Damn. There we go. Okay, we're getting the breakdown. Break it down to the ground. Oh, man. Guys, hit the like and the follow button if you like what you see. I do this for y'all every single day. I need to figure out where my charger is for my laptop. Chewy is doing amazing. I guess it's not like crazy, but I'm not complaining about it. We're doing okay. I wouldn't say amazing, but it's doing good. So this in much patience and tribulations and needs and distress, that is where our patience is tested. Are you failing to rely on the grace of God there? I won't count this time. It's not a question of praying and asking God to help you. It's taking the grace of God now. We tend to make prayer the preparation for our service, yet it is never that in the Bible. Prayer is the practice of drawing on the grace of God. Don't say I will endure this until I can get away and pray. Pray now. Draw on the grace of God in your moment of need. Prayer is the most normal and useful thing. It is not simply a reflex action or your devotion to God. We are very slow to learn to draw on God's grace through prayer. In stripes and imprisonments and tumults and labors and all these things display in your life drawing on the grace of God, which will show evidence to yourself and to others that you are a miracle of His. Draw on His grace. Where was I? Draw on His grace now, not later. The primary word in the spiritual vocabulary is now. Let circumstances take you where they will, but keep drawing on the grace of God in whatever condition you may find yourself. One of the greatest proofs that you are drawing on the grace is that you can be totally humiliated before others without displaying even the slightest trace of anything but His grace. Having nothing, never hold anything in reserve. Pour yourself out, giving the best that you have, and always be poor. Never be diplomatic and careful with the treasure God gives you. And yet, possessing all things, this is poverty, triumph. Oh, look at that. Tell me why I started reading this, and all of a sudden the trade started going crazy. That's kind of crazy, huh? That is kind of weird. I just started reading that, and the trade just started reacting. So we do need to be mindful of SUI and Bitcoin now. Big time. I'm putting my stop loss to break even on Bitcoin and SUI. I'm not gonna risk losing these. Oh, I gotta get off the phone. Or TikTok, I gotta get off. I gotta make some phone calls, I just remembered. Have a great day. Thank y'all. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is waking up majorly. It could be a fake out. Yeah, I'm still confident in this trade. I do gotta make one more phone call though. I am sorry, but yes, these are important.
This call will be monitored and recorded, and your voice may be used for verification.
Let's see if this will drop.